A boat sets sail from a harbour H on a bearing of 40 degrees and travels in a straight line for 8 kilometers. The boat then turns and travels in a straight line for 10 kilometers on a new bearing of 10 degrees. Draw a diagram showing the path of the boat. So for this question, we need to first do the drawing, which I did, and the boat starts from the harbour. So this is a harbour, and that's the boat, and it reaches this point where it changes direction. So you can call it A, and it makes an angle of 10 degrees with north. This is the north, so the bearing is 10 degrees, and then it goes for 10 kilometers. So then this is 10. So if I were to call this B, then AB is 10, HA is 8. And then we need to find that. So the first part is done, the diagram. So the next part, calculate the straight line distance back to the harbour. So back to the harbour is just joining HB. So that is how you would get back to the harbour. So we need to work out the side. So for that we need to find angle HAB, and then we will apply the cosine rule to get the side HB. So the angle, now you see the north lines are parallel, so angle HA, if I were to name it X, so angle HAX would also be 40 degrees because they are alternate angles. And then angle HA, if this was C, this point, so angle HAC would equal 180 minus 40, so 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, that is 140 degrees. So so this would be 140 degrees, and therefore angle HAB, that's the angle we need, equals 140 plus 10, that is 150 degrees. So we know that. So now we're going to apply the cosine rule, which is that if you have a triangle similar, try to make it similar to the one I have here. So if this is angle theta and you have this as A, B, C, then you get the side A equals the square root of B square plus C square minus twice of BC cos theta. And we'll apply the same rule. So we get HB equals the square root of B square, that is 8 square plus 10 square, and then minus twice of BC, so 2 times 8 times 10, and then I get cos of 150 degrees. Now we know that cos 150 degrees can be written as cos of 180 degree minus 30 degree, and that gives me minus cos 30 degrees. So I can write this as equal to 64 plus 100 minus 160 minus multiplied by, that's minus cos 30 degree. So this will be a plus, and that would give me 164 plus 160 multiplied by 0.866, and that would give me 160.866 plus 164, 302, and the square root of that is 17.4. So the answer is 17.4 kilometer. So the distance back to the harbour would be 17.4 kilometers.